we are Group 4 and we are going to show you an example of one language register, which is the consultative register. Role playing to start. Good evening, Sir Kahis. Good evening, classmates. We present to you our role play called Thank you. One fine afternoon, two best friends, Ring and Rene, are studying in their classroom while eating because their teacher told them that they would have a long weekend. But suddenly, bullies like Gian and Wendell came and the fight started, leading them to the principal's office.
Rene, maybe this one's the answer.
Okay, then let's start again. Hey, you, jerks, what's your problem? What's your problem? Hansel and Gretel, why did you tear the paper? That's our output. What a pain.
Why? Don't you have nothing to do? Didn't Miss Dion tell us to do that?
Bumalik Rose started it.
What, Rose? What, Rose, are you talking about? You both clearly started it.
You both are a-holes. You both are the bullies.
Handog.
Advisor. I don't hear any explanation until four of you comes down. No buts. Go to the principal's office right now.
After the long and very After the long and very scary fight scene, hopefully their errand chicks are okay. Mrs. Dion brought the first students to the principal's office to talk about the fight.
The door is open. Come in.
Sir, what's the way problem here, Miss Dion? Why did the students such a mess?
You score on the fight yourself. Strange.
Miss, good evening. Gian and Wendell started it. We were just studying and eating peacefully when both of them came up on us and bullied us.
Excuse me.
Why, mga yan? Explain your side further more, yan.
Buwin is right. Wendell and Gian bullied us while peacefully studying. Are there any witnesses?
Yes, Lisa. Well then, bring the witness over here.
Witness.
Fernandez, is it true that Bangayan and Wendell bullied Gwen and Romano? Yes, Miss Sabs, you are correct. I saw it from start to finish. Because I was there the whole time. I even tried to go. Thank you, Fernandez. You may now go back to your class. And to you, Gwen and Barangay.
When?
Wendell and Gian. You must explain why you bullied them.
them, and you will take the consequences of your wrongdoings afterwards. Pangalan Lubiana, I want you to say sorry to Hermiano and Gwen right now.
Sorry to all of you.
It's okay, but you need to pay my broken aqua flask.
And to Gwen, pangalan Lubiana. It's fine now. Okay. Now, Gwen and Hermiano, you may now go back to your classroom. And to Bangayan and Lubiana, I want to talk to your parents tomorrow, and today you will face the consequences of what you did today.
Start.
You're welcome, Gwen. Sa mga
Kupal na mukha ko di yun. Kupal.
There we go. The product has already been sold. Let us wish Gian and Gwen good luck. That's all for the presentation of our group. I hope you see how the students act or talk differently towards their classmates and their teachers, especially towards abuse. Did you see any difference? Did you see any? We can tell that the acts and words of the students towards the principal are more polite than those of their classmates. And that's what we call the consultative register. I hope you presented this language register clearly so you can clearly to all of you so you can understand it. That's all for our performance. Once again, we are good for it. Thank you.